Today I am going to explain about strings in R language. Okay, string in the sense just we are going to save some text or a message in a variable. For example, we can see A is equals to in double quotes we can write the message this is my new string. Double quotes close. Similarly, B is equals to this is my first string. Next, C is equals to in double quotes this is last string. That means just we are going to save the message in A, B and C variables, that is strings. Okay, whenever we are going to print the message of a string, just we can call print function, that is print open brace A closed brace. Just you can click enter, the message will be displayed. Similarly, print of B and print C value. Okay, similarly, we can see the another example. Just I am going to save the message hello, how are you in XYZ variables, that is strings. Just type X is equals to in double quotes hello, Y is equals to in double quotes how, Z is equals to in double quotes are you. Just close the double quotes. After saving the message in XYZ, just print XYZ value combinedly. That is print open brace paste open brace X comma Y comma Z, two closed braces. Just you can put enter, the message will be displayed. Hello, how are you? Okay, next we can discuss about functions in R language. Okay, just we are going to create or define a function. We can use a keyword function. Just you can go for a syntax. Function underscore name is equals to function of arguments 1 to n, and body open in between flower braces the function body will be exist and flower brace closed. This is the syntax for function declaration. Okay, just we can see the some example functions, that is sequence, mean and sum function. Okay, just we can going to print sequence of 10 numbers. We can use print open brace seq, that is sequence open brace 1 comma 10. That means 1 to 10 we are going to print the sequence numbers. Just you can put enter, you can get the numbers 1 to 10. Similarly, mean, just you are going to print the mean value in between 15 to 20. You can go for print open brace mean open brace 15 is to 20, just two closed braces. Just you can put enter, you can get 17.5. and next print the sum value. The code is print open brace sum open brace 10 is to 20, that is 10 to 20 values will be added. The result is 165. Okay, after this we can go for defining a functions with and without arguments. Okay, let's we try in R tool. Okay, first one is with arguments. Just we can see the example. The code is new dot function is equals to function open brace n, that is n number of elements, and flower brace open. Just you can put the for loop for open brace I in 1 is to n, that means I value must be in between 1 to n numbers. Again open brace, that is open flower brace, m is equals to I into 2, that is the I into 2 value will be stored in m. Next we can print the m value, that is print of m. Just close the two flower braces. Okay, after that just you can call the function argument, that is n. Now we are going to provide n value as 4. Just type new dot function open brace 4, that is n value must be 4. You can get 2 4 6 8 is the result. Similarly you are going to print 10, that is new dot function open brace 10. You can get the 10 number as a result, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 and 20. Okay, now we can see function without arguments. The example is new dot function is equals to function open brace a comma b comma c, that is we are going to passing 3 values. Open flower brace result is equals to a into b plus c, that means a b c value will be multiplied and added, then the value will be stored in result. Now we are go for printing the result, that is print open brace result. Now you can close the flower brace. Okay, just you can pass the arguments to a b c. You can use new dot function open brace 1 comma 2 comma 3. The result will be 5. Similarly new dot function open brace 5 comma 5 comma 5, in the sense the result will be 30. Okay, that's it. Okay, these are the two types of functions, and without and with arguments. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like and share and comment my videos.